Do you want to block specific words and hashtags on TikTok? You can instantly clean up your feed by filtering out phrases and trends that you don't want to look at anymore. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To block specific words and hashtags on your TikTok account. First, open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Once you are on TikTok, make sure you are logged into your account. Then tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap on the three horizontal lines menu icon in the top right corner. Once the menu opens, tap on Settings and Privacy at the bottom. This will open your settings menu page. Scroll down through the options, look for Content Preferences, and tap on it. From the options inside Content Preferences, tap on Filter Keywords. Now tap on the Add Keyword button at the bottom of screen. Tap on the text box under Add Keywords and type the specific word, phrase, or hashtag that you want to block from your app. Below the text box, select the feeds you want to hide this content from, such as your For You or following pages. After choosing your preferences, tap on the Save button in the top right corner. The algorithm will update your filters immediately, and any videos containing those blocked terms or hashtags will no longer show up as you scroll.